What's wrong here? I don't know what to do. Very simple here, folks. This is reversed. So this needs to go here. This needs to go there. Most likely we're gonna have to cut that. That's what this is for. Didn't have to cut it. I just pushed that up and there's still enough clearance. Everything's all right. So basically we just reversed it. That's all we did. Make sure everything's tight here. Nice and tight. Now let's test it. Wonderful. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. Oh, look at that. I wonder if they were trying to swap this out themselves or something. Oh, that doesn't even work. Oh, gosh. That doesn't even work, dude. I think they were trying to swap this out themselves or something. I don't know. What is that? I don't know. YOLO Plus. Cool. Okay, also how to fix that. Hate those. Now it's working. Make sure there's no leaks. Make sure that's tight. Okay. We're good.